Alright, so big up on yourself as always, Richard Brown here. Alright, so.
Well, your son tall on you. What on the Richie? Your son tall on you, man.
Yeah, man, you get taller than me, I don't know. So you go.
What it?
Alright, so. But just tell Alton if you just take up your camera and start the video. I have nothing planned in regards to what I'm going to send or what I'm going to do. Okay, I don't know that's how we do it over Jam. We just freestyle when it's necessary. Alright, so. I have never done a video where I incorporate, how should I say it, my son, my daughter, and my first nephew in anything I do. So today I just decided to carry everybody. My daughter, my son, and my nephew. Because my nephew bother me from Wednesday. Uncle Richard, I want to go in a movie them in the rate, whatever. So we give him a little piece today, not a big role, but you know, we just give him a little warm up today. We have to see if we can incorporate my son, my daughter in a movie already, and my nephew. We'll see how we can incorporate them, because we have to try to see how we can at least incorporate the future in what we are doing. In a some way or another, if not in the acting, but in the filming process or something, because my son saying he's interested in doing the video. I'm 15 now, Javi. I'm 15 now, so I think it's the right time for me to start breaking into learning how to video and probably start edit, because you don't know, as I say, them are the future and we want to incorporate them in what we do. So everybody don't know, Honey is her movie name and her real name is Layla Brown. You see me? And this is Javani Brown. This is my first son, and this is my nephew, Rajavani Brown. So you don't know one family, and as I say, we just have to try to make history in anything what we do. We not hold back on nothing what we do, and we not pre-plan nothing. We just have to put in the work, because the work will speak for itself. And in my humble opinion, that's what Bob Marley do. They have a plan, but them just do it, put in the work, and then everything just fall into place. So that we do. We just make it happen, you see me? So big up on yourself. For everybody who know me already and see me in a movie, see me behind the scenes with the camera, see me at the end of the movie. I give you a sneak peek of a little bit about myself and a little bit about my little family. Javi, Layla and Raj. You see me? Oh, come in, Spoony, it's my little brother here too. Yeah, man, it's my little brother here. Come in, Spoony. Come in. Yeah, man, so this we can call him little brother. All of them big on me. We can call him my little brother, but yeah, this is my smallest brother. So you don't know me, I try to incorporate everybody in it, because we are doing what Mommy did do, you know. Because Mommy did set the trend. Mommy was a videographer, so she did it, and she set it for all of us to come in and learn and to take it up as a job. You see me? So big up on yourself, and as always, keep on supporting. You don't know what we do. If it's not financially, I want to make sure so I share up the video them so everybody can watch them and know what go on. Alright, so Javi, go take your camera and go on video. You say you know of the video. Yeah, my son, I'll take your camera now. He say you know of the video. So hold the camera properly, hold it properly. Yeah, man, and if you don't know too, Alton, I'm a little cousin too, so take him on the wing early and learn and teach him of the video and edit and all like in 9 yards. You see me? So all of one big family.
Right before we left school, and this is the Browns family, even though my name Garden, but this is the Browns family. Javani is behind the camera. This is Layla Brown. This is Rajavani Brown.
Yeah, and him man a brown twin, but I don't know a Campbell or Russian though.
Yay.
Alright, so big up on yourself. Alright. Well,
Yeah.
the top record?
Wow.
Yeah. Alright, so Javi, I get much in a Javi, because I tell you I've been now?
Yeah, I think I'm going in September.
September. So what they say about school? Is school online, see me?
I don't know for sure. Then. Right now, I just done 6 years school.
Oh,
September, I'm going to go in grade 10.
Grade 10, okay. So they not tell you exactly what I'm going with school? Oh, and you know what, grade 6, Raj? No. So you have the GSAT next year? You know that school that Raj?
Pep.
No.
A Pep.
Model Pep. Model Pep, January. March, I do Pep. Oh, no.
You alright?